Discover 3 ways to locate your device with MoboLink: geofence alerts, location tracking, and Find My Device. Let's dive in together, see how it works. First, log in to MoboLink platform. Click the menu on the right and select the device you want to manage. Next, set up email in your account. MoboLink supports multiple notifications, and email is recommended as the default. From the notification menu, go to geofence and click Add. Set your preferred area boundaries, inside, outside, or both. Receive instant alerts when your device enters or leaves the area. Go to Device Management and select Find My Device. Click Send to play a loud alert. And follow the sound to find your device. Press OK to stop the alert. Go to Device Management and select Location. Set interval to track location. A movement map shows your device's path. Instant alerts, quick recovery, and seamless tracking, all in one. MoboLink, one platform, built for control.